So this is how my day is going to go. I just recorded in the... Look at Ziva. Who are you? Who are you? She's my dog. She's my good girl. Aren't you? Who wouldn't love that dog? Huh? Who wouldn't love that dog? And that dog. That's Leroy. Leroy and Ziva. Puppies. Yeah, they're floor moppers. Look at him. He's a floor mopper. Anyways, somebody did ask me the other day, is that a 440G? Yeah, it's a 1270G. And there was a trail of oil coming in here because it was leaking all the way out of the oil into the head here. And look at the rat's nest to get at this valve bank. We'll move that. Oil everywhere. Wires everywhere. Sensors everywhere. So it was leaking somewhere on the valve bank between the valves and the sections, which aren't really sections. Well, it's kind of complicated, like everything is. Mind you, it's 5 in the morning and I don't have any coffee in me yet. But anyways, Kyle took the valve bank apart and all of its components. Found one big O-ring that was, yeah, there's your spools and your block. Anyways, he found one big O-ring between the sections that was compromised. So true to fashion, my boy is on the way up to, should be on his way up to the John Deere dealer this morning. When they open, they order in the parts overnight, so we should have this puppy back out of here by the end of today. With any luck, or tomorrow morning. So that's, yeah, I don't think it's 2 years old, but, you know, heat, oil, heat, pressure, that's kind of what happens. It has to be negative 20 out, and that's the way it goes. Oh yeah, I'll show you this little guy here too. This one came in because it had a major leak too. It's all about clearing up oil leaks these days, it seems like, right, Logger Wade? That's the yoke coming out of the front axle, and the front axle seal was out because somewhere down the line somebody didn't put the washer on behind the nut, and the pinion, the yoke was doing this number, and so it compromised. That thing was moving around in there, the what you call it. Oh, yeah. And you guys ever in your shops? I'll try to get some video of the guys, you know, once in a while here, but it's been busy. I guess I was gone yesterday, and Troy's been prepping this for welding and fixing all that 440-ness there. And I guess they had flames almost to the ceiling. He started a fire. It's a good thing we keep fire extinguishers around. Safety first, you know. Oh yeah, he did. He cooked some wires. It looks like he's got a little bit of wiring to do. Nice. He was sorry though. But yeah, it's a good thing he got it out. And that's that. So I'll bring you an update later. Thank Logger Wade for letting me put videos on his fan page. All right, we'll see you guys later. Have a good one.